Welcome back, YouTube. This is Dave Lucas with Injection Molding Skills and More. So today's video, we are going to do quiz number 4, the answer. So what is the advantage of using hot runner system in injection molding? If you said A, reduce cycle time and material wastage, you're correct, okay? So what happens is you reduce the cycle time because now you're not shooting into a cold runner system or a 3-plate mold or anything like that where you got to take the runner out all the time. You got to wait for it to solidify up. With a hot runner system, you can actually shoot directly into the part. You can shoot, like, let's say you're making lids, you can shoot into the center of that part. There's no runner, nothing. You could alleviate that. That's where the wastage comes in. You're not wasting all that material, all that excess material that you shoot into the runners and stuff like that. In some cases, like my case where I work at now, we use hot runner systems, but we shoot into a subgate. So that subgate actually feeds off of that subgate into 2 separate parts. So we eject up, we have a teeny tiny little runner, then we have the 2 parts that come off of that. So we have that, we have 4 runners that make 8 parts. So that's where you'll run into this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Don't forget, I will have Sunday evening, I will have the repeatability study to show you how to do one. So stay tuned for that. Please like, share, and subscribe. Comment down here in the comment section. Hit that subscribe button or let somebody else know about the channel. I do appreciate it so much. Again, peace.